How to fix Python was not found. Run without arguments to install issue on Windows. 1. Install Python for Windows. 2. Add the following two lines into advanced system properties. C /users /user underscore name /appdata /local /programs /python 39 C /users /user underscore name /appdata /local /programs /python 39 /scripts 3. Disable any Python. App installers in app execution alias list. 4. Remove, using the recommended uninstall tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall Python.